Hey there! Managing diabetes might sound daunting, but with the right lifestyle, diet, and exercise, you can truly take control of your health. Let's dive into some practical tips that can make a big difference. First, let's talk lifestyle. Consistency is key. Maintain a regular schedule for meals, exercise, and sleep. Stress management is crucial too. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and even just a walk in nature can significantly lower your stress levels. Now, on to diet. Think of your plate as a colorful palette. Fill half with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, or bell peppers. A quarter should be lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or fish. The last quarter? Whole grains or starchy veggies like sweet potatoes. Don't forget to limit sugary drinks and highly processed foods. But what about snacks? Nuts, seeds, and low-sugar fruits like berries can be your best friends. They help keep blood sugar levels stable and provide essential nutrients. Exercise is another game changer. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing. Strength training a couple of days a week is also beneficial. It helps build muscle, which can improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. Symptoms management is equally important. Keep an eye out for signs of high blood sugar like frequent urination, increased thirst, and fatigue. If you notice these, check your blood sugar levels and adjust your plan accordingly. Don't forget to build a strong support system. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are vital. They can help you adjust your management plan and stay on top of your health. Connecting with a dietitian or diabetes educator can provide additional insights and support. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. With the right tools and mindset, you can manage diabetes and live a full, healthy life. Stay positive, stay informed, and keep moving forward. Take care.